technical concrete cutting, we have gained a reputation for providing a fast and efficient service to our customers. We are professional in diamond drilling and sawing, hydraulic crunching and bursting, and specialist demolition. Technical concrete cutting invest in both our plant and our people. All operatives are directly employed and trained in the technical skills of operating our specialist plant, including the relevant health and safety issues involved with the plant and the working environment it is being used in. We are committed to the training of staff within the Construction Skills Certification Scheme, which consists of all operatives gaining the relevant NVQs and demonstrating their knowledge and ability to an independent assessor. We encourage all our operatives to take individual responsibility for the success of our contracts. All this with an eye to satisfied customers, leading to repeat business and continuing relationships. All our specialist equipment is owned by the company and maintained to the highest standard to ensure operator safety, reliability and efficiency on contracts.